Luxembourg is a founding member of the European Union and the only Grand Duchy in the world, with a surface area of 2,586 square kilometers. It is a small nation with a dynamic economy, the strongest in Europe. With a population of about 620,000 inhabitants from more than 170 different countries, the country's capital is the city of Luxembourg. It is one of the few cities to be listed as a UNESCO World Heritage City. Every day, more than 200,000 people from the three bordering countries, Germany, Belgium, and France, come to Luxembourg to work. Traveling at rush hour is not easy, regardless of which means of transport you use. So we have set ourselves a goal for 2025, which we are already working towards: optimizing how you travel. To achieve this goal, we have launched Modu 2.0, the strategy for sustainable mobility between now and 2035. Every day, 250,000 empty seats and cars are driven into Luxembourg City. It is our job to resolve this issue by encouraging even more carpooling. It is also up to us to persuade travelers to cycle, walk, and use public transportation more often. The situation is clear. We simply cannot keep traveling in the manner that we currently do. To bring about this change, everyone with a stake in mobility must play a role. Together, the government, municipalities, employers, and citizens have the power to get things moving by turning the concrete measures drawn up under the Modu 2.0 strategy into reality. At the same time, we must anticipate the future, rethink the way in which we will be traveling a few years from now. Widening roads is not the answer. This would only lead to more traffic jams. We have to think outside the box, simulate scenarios, find multimodal alternatives to protect our planet, adapt the public transport offering to future travel demands, expand the network of cycle paths, determine which means of transport are in the best interests of everyone's travel needs. Imagine all possible solutions. Tomorrow's mobility is already a question for today.
High investments in public transport is a clear political choice. It's a predisposition so that multimodality will work.
To face this challenge, the Luxembourg government invests €600 per resident on rail transport each year. This is the highest expenditure in Europe, far ahead of other countries. Thanks to this investment, new railways are being constructed to make travel more reliable and comfortable. Take the new track between Luxembourg City and Beddenburg. Once the 7-kilometer section is operational, more trains will be able to run between Luxembourg City, the south of the country, and France. Furthermore, a new station, Pfaffendahl-Kirchberg, was opened in 2017, serving Luxembourg's economic hub with a means of transport as remarkable as it is environmentally friendly: the funicular. In 60 seconds, it moves 40 meters in altitude, connecting the rail network with buses, walking, and cycling options, and the tram. The tram has revolutionized transportation in Luxembourg City. Once complete, it will run for 16 kilometers between Luxembourg Airport and the Cloche d'Or, and its reach will spread even further in years to come. Those who like to get by on two wheels haven't been forgotten either. Thanks to the cycle path, you can cycle alongside the entire length of the tram line. You can also cycle across one of our most important heritage sites, the Pont Adolphe. Suspended between the bridge's stone arches, there is no cycleway like this anywhere else in the world.
Luxembourg is constantly investing in the mobility infrastructure. It is very important for the customer that the quality of the infrastructure is excellent. Luxembourg has never been so multimodal as today.
That's why we have a dedicated app, mobilitate.lu. It allows users to find a route, combining public transport, cycling, driving, and walking, while taking timetables, the real-time traffic situation, and the environmental footprint into account. Add to that the flagship measure, free public transport, from March 2020, a worldwide first at national level. Tomorrow's mobility is already here. Let's help Luxembourg move on.